welcome to yet another episode of Growing Up with Silwane Season 2. Happy New Year. Siyanimukela kakhulu. Kulo mnyaka libhodo liyacaphatela likonakele kwaphetha. Liyasuka liyahlala. Siniphekele ngagalaza. Kwakho nje wethamela uhlale njalo ubukele epagini la Gogo eSwatini la sikhona khona bukhona. Namhla sina Larry Mhlanga. Larry Mhlanga needs no introduction. Kube sesonweni ngabe ngithi welcome the caterpillar, the tsunami, the excavator, the man of the hour, the man of the moment, the man for this generation, the chosen one. But asike sonke Larry Mhlanga siyamathi he's been around, he's done this, he's done that. Currently he's doing as many things as nama ngathi singicale kuphi ngigcine kuphi nangibala. Mr. Mhlanga, thank you so much for coming.
Silwane semandla.
My brother. Sisukaphi? Hey. Yabona. Namhlanje lo umuntu la. Namhlanje umuntu has groomed even Silwane to be what he is today. Mr. Mhlanga, nababukeli.
Sibusele babukeli. No, I'm happy to be here. You know, it's an honor for me to be here and be part of this amazing journey. You know, you guys are amazing, and you know, so I'm happy to be here.
Mr. Mhlanga, people want to know ukuthi kahle ngibani la Mhlanga. Bafundzile ngamaphepheni. Khulunywa ngala Mhlanga left, right, bottom, center. So people namhla banale chance nale opportunity ukuthi bamati la Mhlanga. So take us through. Who is Larry Mhlanga? Who is Larry Mhlanga?
Okay, yabona le angisayijwayeli yabona. Ukuthi ngibuthi uthi ngibani yabona. But you know, I think lengakusho nje ngumbana uNkulunkulu yabona mina. Ngiyakholwa.
My God.
Kakhulu
man ngamfaka kakhulu la ngangena khona.
No lalela ngithi angivete.
Oh, which okay, it's fine.
Yabo, so mina ngiyakholwa uthi Jesu uyinkosi.
My God.
And you know, I'm a humbled guy, gifted, you know, I'm a mastermind.
I can attest to
I am a
that.
mastermind lapho ngiclear ngestory sami.
Yeah.
So but I've been blessed with an opportunity to be able to nurture talent, work with different people. You know, I'm always willing to learn every day. You know, every day is another day for me to learn. So engakusho nje ukuthi umuntu lo phansi kakhulu angihambe ebusuku anginathi
lo muntu ungabe ebusuku Mr. Mhlanga yini imoto yakhe ayikhanyisi because ende imoto ibene fault because awuhambe ebusuku hayi ngoba ufull but vele nenkinga yenithamba.
No vele no angiselo hlobo vele lokuhamba ebusuku.
Oh yeah.
Ngiselo hlobo lokuhamba uyangathi ngisangihambe ebusuku.
Yeah, thanks to laba kwethu ungahambe ebusuku. Mr. Mhlanga sosebenzile kakhulu ku art industry in the country. We've seen you doing many projects. Sikubonile uqala ema groups lamanengi. Sikubonile njengoba ukhuluma nge-natural talent. You've groomed many people. Many nami ngisekhathi la kulo many ngisebenzile nawe pelepele. We've been, you toured the world. Wenda ngani wena wethu?
No,
because nebantu labafisa umsamhlanga uthi bathi mina ngifisa abafisa lo Europe lawo na uthole khona onke lamalanga bo the States, the Dubai. Lo mnye uthi nje mina ngifisa yakalavumisa.
No,
Kukhulu lokho.
No, yabona Silwane lengakusho ukuthi kungumusa, uyabona. Musa lokuba ready, lokuba positioned. You know, when I do things or when I dream of things, ngibona a bigger picture. So anginenza lokwendeka la, but the bigger picture, I think uma ungabuka ngendlela esaqala ngayo kupelepele. Uyabona. Saba nako ukuthi no la esiya khona sawugibela indiza sihambe mafu yabona. But labakholwayo bahlala abangakholwa bahamba yabona. So I think it's proper planning, confidence and believing in the universe, because yabona universe Silwane, whatever you give in, it gives back.
Okay.
So umuntu uma ungafika une confidence usure ngento yakho, you will receive that yabona. But abantu bahlupha ukuthi umuntu ungena ngathembi yabona afa unyawo lunye lelungala ukuthi in case kwa failure obviously to failure yabona. So yeah,
I understand. Mr. Mhlanga, currently siyakubona busy, you production manager we-SABC Crown Gospel Awards, we-manage abantu abaningi, to name a few, Zanele Mbokazi, A to Z, Mdura, Sethu, the list is endless.
Kodwa wangihlula wena.
Mina ngikho manageable. Angikho manageable. Angithi mina atona wona ngani. Wena kuphela wona ukuthi mina bese ungena ngomphathi. La la yakha khona.
No, lalela phela wena
Kodwa mina ngathi xa umphathi awungeke bese sengilalela lo munye naye lo umphathi angithalingana.
No, phela yabona wena.
Ufuna nongibeka phansi ungangilinganisi.
Phela wena vele ukuba ngumphathi vele wakuphiwa uyabona.
My God.
Uyabona wakuphiwa wakho uyabona.
My
So it was easy ukubona
angathi noma ke abantu bayeva yini. Le nto ngitalwa nayo leba ngumphathi.
hayi phela ungayi kakhulu yabo phathi nje ngiyazi ukuthi
Sorry.
no honestly like I was saying it's the grace yabona, it's the grace Musa to be able to have that opportunity and to be ready, you know. I'm one person who's ready and willing to learn, you know. Every day I learn a new skill, you know. Every day, so wherever I am ngibuka ithuba, ngibuka opportunity yabona. Ngidisikhathi sokudlala ngiyabuka opportunity lekhona.
So it's opportunist.
Yeah, opportunist.
Yeah, because what was better be prepared for an opportunity and not have one than to have an opportunity and not be prepared.
Yes, exactly. But you have to be prepared.
True.
So that when an opportunity comes, you totally ready. If you are not ready, then
because nombukela ibhola mhlawumbe mase kufuna ungene ucela ngalokutrota.
yes,
Awuhlali nje ubambe isitari.
touchline.
So people should be busy. Busy with something. If I understand. Manje went njani because I understand nyalo manager more than 25 social media pages. How? What's the fact this cards?
No, you know, no, my day iba planned. Yabona, iba planned. So kuba ne-schedule, this is what I'm doing today.
Okay.
Yabona. So because I do this 24/7, I work 24/7. Yabona. So I'm able to manage it. And also I have a huge team under Hala Group, you know, because I work for a group called Hala. It's an entertainment company.
Yeah.
So the company does music distribution, music publishing, licensing, artist management, record label services. You know, so it's quite a number of activities.
Okay.
So you can say you can cash a corner. You can come do. No, mina ngafunza ukuthi if uphila nebusebenza nebantu wena akusikwakho uyabona, so awajwayela kwenda tini uthi no I vele stakushiya because kwakho uyabona, but ungathi we everyone lo lapho will be involved, to be able to contribute as we're doing it kapelepele ukuthi mase Europe akusibo kumele ngivuke ngithi asabe ngise breakfast. We delegate someone uthi mina mbuke kudla, mina mbuke accommodation, Paul ubuke performance, ubani ubuke ini.
Ayimele bengibuke spiritual because bengishumayela lapha.
No, kodwa sishumayela khona, uyabo kodwa sishumayela
ngelive ke yekela. Ngelive inkosi yekela.
but inkinga but singisiwayi besala ma kushumayela belungu.
Angithi mina ngithaza lokho ukuthi bengigcinwa yini. Hayi bengingafuna ushumayela ngaso, bengigcina ukuthi kufanele bese ngijabhithela nini.
No, phela laba
so ngathi into engcono angivele nje ngichubeka la.
Yabona, phela
bayakambela nini.
Inkonzo macala belungu obechile France bebengena bonke enkonzweni yabona.
Yes,
but wena maso thitho esilungu sokusihamba kancane.
Angithi ngendelana nabo because mina ngiyaflow.
No style khuluma.
Okay, this time. Okay. Coming back to the country, Swaziland.
Yeah.
What have you done? Because now talking about it. Name it.
I don't know, because what I'm doing, I've always wanted to do it. So akungimangalisi, kungiyamangala abantu mabamangala bathi muhello uyabona, but mina akungethusi, akungimangalisi because I have always wanted to do that, you know. It has always been my dream to be amongst the major industry players, the influencers of the industry, you know. So bekuliphupho lami sengili-achievile seng-right.
So are you planning to retire usho njalo?
No, I'm retired, but I'm changing the way I'm doing things, you know, because I think you know I even reported to you guys, which I resigned as Pele director.
Yeah.
Yabona. So sengitshintshile sengitshintshile i-focus.
I understand.
Yeah,
Because angeke umdlali uhlale uyi-field player.
Yes,
Unogcine
yes.
so coach.
Yeah, because you know, entertainment industry is very competitive and ihamba fast. Yabona. Namuhla ula sasa you are nothing. Yabona.
Ngolo nothing ngesengelinye igama. Lo nothing. Kwenziwa yini lokuthi artist le inkulu lezemhlanga kusasa seyikhanze seyivuke phansi.
It's the vision. Yabona. If you don't have a vision and excitement, yabona angivete ngicela ukukhuluma ngikhamera. Ngiyabona babukeli ema-artist nema-public figures anilandzela kakhulu anikholwe niwajikele nine niwajikele kusasa nivukeni nithi same person obeya la ikhathi notakho athi silwane kusasa uvuka athi hey akuphosele
social negative.
social negative. So my advice will be humble. Lingisa umuntu osebenza ebhange. Umuntu osebenza ebhange uyasebenza for 10 years. Avuke ngeke umbone emgwaqweni akhambe ethi bo 10 rand ngala bo 100 ngala bo 20 ngala in no discipline because it's your profession. Yabona. Yabo. So lapha ngeke umuntu ohlala urelevant. Yabo because ngiyabhekisa mina the guys I've been with in the industry. Mzala le age yami bo Oskido. Those are the guys ekuthiwa vele besi
Same age bracket noma?
Same stream.
Oh, okay.
We understand.
Okay.
Uyabona. Same stream local bo Anaconza bo banibani laba big guys laba khona but labanye abasekho namuhla. Labanye nasicela ukuphefuma kude ne-social media. Kude ujabula nje uphuma ephepheni yabona. Yabo mawunengoma ungathi uthi uyimikisa njani emsakadweni. Yabona. But now the opportunity is social media, so abantu bayisebenzisa kabi. That's why ukuthi ba last industry vele bashesha bashayise yabona. Yabo. So i-vision imcoka.
But ke Mr. Mhlanga because nini senambe na captain kulo mkhaya. Kukhona indlela kwendako as influencers who sit at the upcoming artists would say, hey, be careful of A, B, and C. Do you understand? Because njengoba uqedza kuba address awubatshela ukuthi ngini naleni inkinga yabona ngileni inkinga because yabona kude involve elikhulu Mr. Mhlanga njenge fame. Ifame leligama ifame kwento uhamba emoyeni. So mahamba emoyeni uba weak. Anyone can do anything.
Exactly.
You understand?
Yeah.
So kuyadzingeka lokuthi kube nale manje nini Mr. Mhlanga you are too busy for us.
No, yabona challenge yini silwane. These upcoming artists asebeva ngathi abafikile abalaleli ngeke umtshele ngalutho yabo yakuthi hayi no phela inkinga yemvele kuba ngathi unemona wena
Noma wena sidala.
yes mawathi yathi no be careful wena ngathi yathi lo muntu unemona lo muntu unemona ne-fame yami yabona unemona nema-followers ami.
Okay. Ngine follow up le ufuna ngenda Mr. Mhlanga. How as an artist wenda njani? Unathi ngothola ukuthi uqedza kubekisa ngebanka. Ukuthi ngeke bese ikhaze drop and say hey yabona yabo 10 rand ngicela mama niphile yabona ngeke ikhaze. But as an artist how do you handle the audience yakho? Say we are a musician. Uhambe reading ukuthi ushaya ngoma yinye phela. But angikemse ngiyethambela yabona. Comedian usihlekise. But ngeke meselane badibana meselane bathi kuthe obeke 2 with 10 la. Mawungasakweni lokho sebathi udvalile.
No, you interact with your fans, but the way you present yourself to them, lawo bakuthatha njalo. Uyabona? Yabo. So babangahlanga nalomunye ngeke baze bacela ukuthi bangahlanga nagogo ngeke bathi gogo hey manje yabona bambona bathi okay yabona nyalo lo muntu akekho emsebenzini akekho kule character yakhe yagogo yabona bamvusela bamhlonipha kukanjalo yabona so nawe kukuwe wena ezawasenga ukuthi what you give out to the universe brings back.
I understand. So Mr. Mhlanga sesiya ngasemaphethelweni tshela mina do you have any regrets? Because yabona nalilanga nalo empilweni yami angilifisi. I did something that I regret. Kwafika nje leli la. Singafika highlight, nasicela regret.
Okay, no, cha uthi mina besides ngeke ngikhulumele ilanga but ngakhuluma in general. I think ukabili we regret
nilandile kakhulu la regret.
Phinde lokunye ukuthi it was planned, it was live, it was supposed to happen, you know.
It was a planned regret for you.
Yes, it was a successful regret. Well, regret is successful.
Why sugarcoat the regret?
No, plus I'm
yisho nje regret influence yakhe kodwa thina regret. So wena yakho sofuna ke into ibe yihle regret.
No.
Yisho le regret. Mina wasilungisi.
No, fake prepare ngilimarinate ngine ready ukuthi mangithi yabona. Okay, no, honestly I think personal regret lenginayo like ngishilo nje ukuthi successful imnanzi
regret.
Okay, no, I think I regret giving talents opportunities and not copywriting my productions, not being able to benefit from it, you know, because you find that I did a lot of work, groundwork, which many people don't know about it, and labantu labo abasho abakhulumi la ngakho yabona. So mina ngiya regret ngithi at least if bengithi mangenda nako ngithi baba senda nako sisayinile phansi or it's my intellectual property uyabona. So nami so ngiya regret nje ukuthi shit I wasted my time for some time trying to help people,
other people.
Uyabona. Kanti ngesikhathi leso ngabe nginake junior. Nga-investor ku-junior nebemfana wami ngawo kusamo yabona.
Njengoba ngenda mnetibusiso wami.
Yeah, yabona.
Because my focus is there.
Exactly. So yeah, but I think ngilokho yabo ukuthi
I think sonke siyayithola le regret ukuthi ihamba kanjani. Asifunzeni kubonga. Noma ngabe ukuphi uthi nje thanks to kuwe ngaba ukuthi mhlawumbe yasho kimi lokusitile khona la kunsinza khona lengekhathi ukuthi ungirecognize le effort lengayifaka kushintsha noma kungeda anything lengayenda empilweni yakho. Thanks to Larry Mhlanga, thanks to Silwane, thanks to your mom. Noma ngabe ukuphi ngibonga makwami ukuthi ngilala ngikhona wangendela nakana. Then your highlight Mr. Mhlanga.
Highlight. No, I think every day, what I did many years ago, akungimangalisi ngalokho lengikwenza njalo. So i-highlight yami ngilolo kwendeka now ukuthi I'm able to tell big people abababonayo ku-industry what to do, when and how. Which I have people labeva ngami yabona. So i-highlight yami ukuthi hathi lo muntu abantu bonke abaningi abeva ngayo but lo muntu lo uva ngami yabona. So it keeps me going, you know, it keeps me going and it gives hope to a young person lo lapho ukuthi it doesn't matter where you come from. Yeah, because where you come from has got nothing to do with where you are going. So where you come from mustn't affect you. Yathi mina ngisuke ezibonele yabo. Hey, yabona manje ngisuke ezibonele emakhaya vele kude le ngakho.
Uyathi ezibonele. Hayi yabuda nje uyathi lezibonele.
No, mina okay, wena phela le.
Uhlala eMbabane.
Mana phela mina mangifika la kaNgwane ngafikela emakhaya. Ngafikela ezibonele. Yathi mayifika ibus lapha eMochane yathi Pigs Peak.
Yeah. wena wehlingani lapho bothi iyalo bus
ngafikela ezibonela ngahlala ezibonela for inyanga
wena walahleka first day
ngifika nje ngahlala ezibonela ngicabanga ngathi yabona kangona vele kusemakhaya umuntu ulahlekile inyanga yonke
ungathi la ngakithi
ungathi lapho ungathi edolobheni ngicabanga inyanga ngihlale nje makuthiwa ngiyedolobheni ngiyabe ngiyele kubo
sibusuke endfonjeni dolobha lakho kuyimfonjeni
noma sempesheni ngiyabona na engonini yabona engonini sejike egedeni mathamu sibe singene siye makuthiwa ngijike emadlanga mpisi ngithi yabona kangwana ngosiyami ngitofunani la yabona
so ngene horo ufikele horo
afikele khona kae so nje yabona
so inzawo yakho buvele kusemvembeli bozibonela
yasibonela
umshibo
lapho nje
inzawo takho ne just project ngahlabela nje station kakati you can relate
no yes don't forget kakati ule yabona mawuse ebuhleni yabona usiye airport station kakati wenga lapho
no
uyabona
Mr. Mhlanga, if you were given an opportunity sithi nje sikunika lithuba lokuthi kube lo phethe iart in the country, what would you do for the artists?
Abanye ngacela lengakwena ukuqala ukuvula isikhwama kuthiwa i-culture fund. Le fund leyo unikedwe ama-artists ama-grants so that like nje now nje masenza le podcast it should be funded. Kuthiwe now Silwane nagogo silinika now 100,000 yendani le series nende le series is funded, so my funded nani niya empower yabona, then ngisuke lapho ngikhokhe i-arts ngiyisuse ka sports yabona, ikumele yodwa independent yodwa nje yabo, ikumele yodwa ibe independent yabo. Mangisuka lapho ama-associations siwanika ama-grants, they report ukuthi sembe ini kuphi kanjani ngiyabona. Siqale like in schools introduce le arts in schools like proper as
like syllabus.
Yes, it be part of the curriculum yabo, ibe part of the curriculum. Then it will go a long way yabona, because kumele siqale sichintshe lapho, because i-talent ikhona, i-exposure ikhona, but there is lack of resources yabo, there is lack of resources.
Sishintsha njani ingcondo yana ngilothi awugogo uzoperformile noma gogo buto performer noma Silwane buto performer noma Kerisi buto performer ukhona kudla utawudla
khona. No, that was trailer yabona, honestly you
no sister wethe like ngite petrol yabona abathi because petrol inayo
no
but sister wethe
no that was trailer kabi Silwane, because you know lo muntu lona uma ene event umuntu we-catering uyambhadala yabona, ikhekhe uyalibhadala umuntu angeke ahlala ngalibhadala
venue
usakhokha i-deposit ukucala ngoba uyathi yabona, but sekubuya la kithi sebenza ngathi bede imali yabona. So ama-artists should take a stand now nje, umuntu wakushayela athi yabona, because inkinga ekhona sibulalana sodwa as ama-artist yabona. Uyasuka wena as a comedian uthi no I can't perform for 2,000 umunye 2,000 ithi hayi babiningi nika 500
ngabe ukulo flow uyaphila enhloko
uyabona,
wena lo 2,000 ngabe u-right kulo msebenzi ongaka
lo msebenzi ongaka. So lapho funa sibambisane nema-clients ethu nathi nje within the industry yabo. Yes, vele kulukhuni we can't regulate ama-rates like isinkwa yabo, standard rate yesinkwa kuthiwe isinkwa cala ku-10 rand siya ku-15 rand, so ungachaja lokufunako. But ka-entertainment ku-tricky, we can't regulate because
why
now ungavuli uli-artist kusasa but ngeke uvuke urun i-bakery. There are processes before you run a bakery.
Angithi nawe uma uvuke artist there are processes lata kwena uzokugcina ungene kule bracket leyabekwa lapha kule.
No, yabona Silwane uma ungabuka la kude wena nje unaso ihlobo lesingu-DJ unaso ihlobo lo-rap
nami ya DJ
uyabona,
masethiwa nje akekho DJ Mbamba vele sekubonakele
uya-understand uyabona. So sesakwenda kwaba mediocre, kuba part of the industry kwaba lula kakhulu. So even the corporates now lokwendekako lento lena Silwane i-seasonal. Umuntu obeka bhuka pele 10 years ago from company X akasekho
Yeah.
kuleli office so ungene lo munye uma engena lo munye ufika nabantu bakhe naye bethe mzala yathi kunomzala wami lo DJ yayo man yathi angasibambele lento le yabona so it's seasonal yabo it's seasonal so ngicabanga ukuthi isuka ihluphe lapho silwane ukuthi si regulate otherwise it's a dream vele kufuneka sigcine sifike lapho.
I think sonke siyalandzelela siyeva nalanga ngathi Mr. Larry Mhlanga strike kahle bazafadala because abantu umuntu nangafika akhanda ukuthi nje i-rice bathi in100 rand i100 rand ayithatha i-rice akathi ngasho ukuthi hayi mina ngiphulele noma 15 rand lapho bese yabona bhatala lo 85 but base kusi-artist so funeka negotiate umuntu utafika nje ukuhlekisa uhambe lokuhlekisa ngumsebenzi kulo muntu yabona
yathi uhlekisa abantu 5 minutes
because banabahlekisa na Mr. Mhlanga yabona i-comedy kutricky kakhulu ungcono music utafika uhlabe ingoma bathi enko oyiphithe but i-comedy kufune ucabanga abantu batohleka yini. You understand? But Mr. Mhlanga, thank you so much for coming through. Siyabonga kakhulu, siyabonga. Please like, comment and share and follow. Siyasenza kakhulu and nihlale nibukela njalo for more and more of yummy content. Bye.